Hi. Hi there. Hello. So, doing something different. Gonna talk in this video instead of just throwing on some goofy fucking music and speeding the video up. So had pretty mixed luck with Pokemon Go. Figured I'm gonna give it one more crack and see if my luck changes. Had pretty horrible fucking luck actually, but we'll see. As a warm-up though, I got some Pokemon celebration packs. So open up a few of these. See what we get, which is probably gonna be again something horrible because I don't have good luck. Zekrom, Dialga. Oh, well, that's... What the fuck? That's good. What's this? Okay, what the fuck? Alright. Okay. That was very interesting. It's definitely one of the big chase cards in this set to get. And this is also pretty nice, but that was one of the weirdest packs I've ever opened. Alright. Well, can't really bitch about my luck being too horrible now, I guess. I mean, I can, and I will, but... See, there we go. Now the luck's getting out. Now it's leaving the room. But man, that was a weird first pack to open. If you're unfamiliar with this set for some reason, hey, this is a set that came out at the start of the year, kind of close to there, for the celebration of Pokemon's 25th anniversary. It's just a little holiday set. Very small. Definitely trying to get you with the nostalgia feels. It's a fun set though. Holy fuck, dude, I'm having some cracked luck though with these packs. Jesus Christ, what the hell? Alright, I think we've had a hit. Well, okay, no, one pack that was bad, and the rest have been hits though. It's pretty crazy. Pretty nutty. Pretty wild. Nope. Oh, yeah, another hit. Oh, those were actually really good packs. Now that luck's dead, and we'll crack into this and get absolutely nothing, I'm sure. We got 10 packs to open, so I guess I'm gonna pray. What else do we got? We got that promo card, yeah. Pretty cool promo. Definitely feels weird trying to talk on video to myself for the first time, so hopefully I don't sound like a giant fucking spaz. Energy, Pupitar, Chansey, Spark, Bidoof, Magikarp, Pidove, Onyx, Eevee. Ooh, Radiant Charizard. Pretty nice. It's a pretty good hit. Say, definitely one of my favorite cards from the set. Hopefully that's not the only thing we pull. I mean, it's a good hit though. That's a pretty good card. I will say the quality control on this set has been pretty spotty. No metal, nothing. A lot of trash. Yeah, then that centering, even on the back on some of these cards, is just not very good. I think I fucked that up. Okay, I didn't fuck it up too bad. Pikachu, Squirtle, Meltan, Launch. Ah, and the worst full art ever. The Pokemon that's morphing into a cock. That's exactly what I wanted to see. Cockomon. I should have opened up Digimon instead. Would have been way more fucking lit. Pikachu, Squirtle, Bidoof, Meltan, Blastoise, Dragonite V. It's a cool card. It's just a V card, so not a huge thing, but it's pretty cool. Oh yeah, I guess I should talk about this set. Pokemon Go. If you played Pokemon Go, it's fucking Pokemon Go. That's all I really need to say. There is a card in here though that I'm chasing. It's pretty interesting cards. Pokemon's first interactive card. It's a peelable sticker card. It's very weird. I have not pulled one yet. I think I've had to have opened up 40 packs, and yeah, I've still not fucking pulled. It's not like an ultra rare or anything crazy. It's just, you know, my cursed fucking luck. Spinarak, Bidoof. Well, at least about, yeah, and it's always, there's Numel, Spinarak, and Bidoof, and it's always one of these three cards that's the peelable, and it's always in the reverse slot. It would have a little Ditto symbol down here if my camera would focus. There you go. No Ditto though, so just a normal reverse. Chanseyotazor, Bird Guy, Dumbfuck, Squirrel, Spider, Bird, Killer of Steve Irwin, Camerupt, Charizard Hollow, Cool Hollow. It's kind of a bummer how much Pokemon slipped up with modern hollows and now they're just considered trash compared to old style ones that are actually really cool. Used to suck ass. Eradicate, Bird, another Bird, Meltan, Articuno, trash. See these? These are trash. I'm gonna have to pick those up and it's gonna be a pain in the ass. I shouldn't have done that. Slowbro, Lunatone, Eradicate, Tranquil, Larvitar, Natu, Ambipom, Rare Candy. This, for some reason, was a card that they gave out at GameStop, Best Buy, and some other locations as a promo, even though it's just a normal card in the set. It's some of the laziest shit I've ever seen from the Pokemon Company. Alright, 2 packs to go, and only good pull has been Charizard, which is still a good pull, but especially because I think I'm going to be pretty much done with this set afterwards. I'm just going to give up. Oh, I did it wrong. So trash, unless we got... Nope, all trash. Last pack. And I'm glad I grabbed the celebration cards, at least made this video enjoyable, I guess. Versus just watching me open dog shit. These cards are sticking together, Jesus Christ. Numel, Reverse Charizard, and a Melmetal V. So, not too good. But that be how it is. It do be that way sometimes. Let's go through our hits real quick. Thanks for watching the video, I guess. Even though it was fucking scuffed because it's my first time actually making a normal video. But yeah. I'm sure there'll be more because I'm addicted. So you can watch me be a degenerate with cardboard. And this is definitely my favorite hit of the day. Ah, and there's the Thunderstorm. It's a nice Radiant Charizard, but yep. So have a good one. I'll see you later.